Hi everyone! In this video we are making the strawberry drizzle cake. Start by filling your chocolate rounds with strawberry filling and base icing the cake with Rich's double chocolate buttercream. Pipe a ring of melted truffle around the top and drizzle down the sides. Next, pipe 12 rosettes around the top of the cake using the 1M tip. The final step is to prepare 6 whole strawberries by first washing in Sterilox and allowing to dry. Then, gently hand glaze each strawberry. Now we top every other rosette with a glazed berry. Now the strawberry drizzle cake is complete. Thanks for watching.